Hi everybody, it's Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. BMW has rolled out the latest version of its operating system, iDrive 8. We're going to get in the car, show you a whole new driver's experience with this latest version. The first thing you'll notice with cars that have iDrive 8 is it incorporates this beautiful long display. The instrumentation cluster itself is about 12.3 inches, while the infotainment center has 14.9 inches between the two of them here. So it's a beautiful display, touch screen on the infotainment center. You'll also see that many of the buttons have been removed. So we'll talk through that and what the best practices are using this iDrive 8 system. Let's go ahead and start the car. You'll notice from our home screen that the left-hand panel here still has the major domains there: apps, music, communication, navigation. To the right of that, you'll see the various widgets available to us. It is a touch screen, and the first thing I'll point out is that there are various ways you can customize this screen. If you simply press and hold down, you can move your widgets around and place them in the order that you prefer. You can also add widgets here. You'll see various widgets available. Say we'd like to add the clock, and we'd like to put that actually in this position. We'll be able to move it there. The second thing I'll point out at this stage is the climate control menu. You'll see that there aren't that many buttons related to climate control at this point. BMW has made a lot of updates to the automation of your climate control, and has really geared it more towards you just simply controlling the temperature. And you'll see as I put it in low, I don't know if you can hear the fan speed increase automatically. Alternatively, yeah, as you go higher, I can actually feel the temperature of the air coming out to be warmer. So if you really need more additional details there's this climate menu button. From this screen, you'll see the heated seat settings, the fan settings, etc., max air and synchronization buttons available to us there. But generally speaking, they're coaching us to simply control the climate, interior climate, using these buttons. Of course, you can always use the intelligent assistant. I'm too warm.
Okay, I'm lowering the temperature, so it will be more comfortable right away. Let me know if it gets too cold for you.
Alternatively, I could do something like lower the temperature to 65.
I'm setting 65 degrees Fahrenheit throughout.
The next thing I'd like to show you from our screen here is this little tab on the top. If we were to swipe that down, it opens up another panel for us, which will display the various shortcuts that we have assigned. We currently don't have any shortcuts. It's got some additional system-generated buttons for us, as well as the very bottom panel there shows us our most frequently used apps. Let's go ahead and show you how to create these shortcuts. Let's go to your apps screen, and from here, let's just say, we wanted to create a shortcut to the system settings. You simply touch and hold that, add the shortcuts, and it'll now show up in our shortcuts bar. Let's do another one. Let's say owner's manual. Touch and hold that, add to shortcuts. Just as before, we can also go to our radio stations if we like, and create shortcuts that way. So we now have 3. We can have as many as 8 shortcuts available. Just adjust the screen to show the 8 shortcuts, up to 8 shortcuts that we create. Within the apps section, I want to point out that, all the apps now are shown at once here in this view. There are filters here. If you'd only like to see the vehicle apps, for example, it gives us a shorter list, of course. Just the infotainment apps also gives us a shorter view of all apps. But one suggestion is that you can actually move these apps within the screen here. So it's best practice to actually use your most commonly used apps, perhaps to the top row. And that way it's a little bit easier to navigate using your apps. Thank you for watching our video today. Please submit any comments or questions below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'd love to see you here at our dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.